and if this is your first time here, thank you so much for watching. So today I'm coming at you guys with a favorites video. These are definitely random products, products I've been using within the past couple of weeks up to the past couple of months. So I have some skincare and I have makeup. I don't have any hair favorites because I don't do my hair. I don't know anything about hair. My hair, I know it be looking bad like on camera. Like I need to get with it for real, because I be wearing these wigs and I just know I can do better. So yeah, but I have some makeup and I have some skincare favorites for you guys. So I'm gonna be sharing those with y'all. Before we get into this video, make sure you're subscribed to my channel. That way you don't miss out on any videos. I do have a small channel, so I don't exactly just, you know, pop up on YouTube. So if you guys would turn on your post notifications and get notified when I upload, that would really just help me get my views up. If you guys have any questions about this makeup look, I'll have it linked in the description box. I did do a tutorial on this look here using the Anastasia Riviera palette. So if you guys, like I said, have any questions about this look here, I'll have a link of this video in my description box. So definitely go check that out. My camera is on like 15-20%, so I gotta go ahead and speed this up. So if you guys wanna see my random favorites, then please keep watching. So the first couple of products I'm going to talk about together because they're both skincare, they're from the same brand, and they're from the same line. The products I'm talking about are from Fresh. It's their Vitamin Nectar Moisture Glow like water, and then their Vitamin Nectar Moisture Glow moisturizer. You guys, this moisturizer, I'm pretty sure I've talked about this moisturizer several times on my channel. It's really the one I've been using for like months now. I'm on my second jar and I just love this. It's really hydrating, it smells amazing, and it leaves my skin with this nice glow. I do have dry skin for those of y'all who are wondering. So yeah, my dry skin just loves this moisturizer. You guys, like, I'm actually gonna be sad if they ever discontinue it because we all know like lines, they be doing that, like they be just discontinuing stuff, and I'm just like not ready. Like if they stop making that moisturizer, like my feelings gonna be real hurt. So Fresh, please don't do this to me, just please don't. So yeah, and then their Moisture Glow water, this one is a newer product from their line, and I like to use this before and during makeup application. I usually spray my face with it before I do my skincare or before I put on foundation if I need like a little bit extra moisture. I've even put it or sprayed it on top of my foundation when I was looking a little powdery, or throughout the day when I was just looking a little dusty and I needed just, you know, a refresher. So yeah, I use this water a lot of ways and I love it. Trend Mood on Instagram just leaked that they're coming out with the serum from this line, so a Vitamin Nectar like Moisture Glow face serum, and I'm all about it. Like I'm excited, I'm so excited. Like when it comes out, I'm getting it. I already know. So since I just finished talking about a spray, I guess I'll talk about this one. And this one is the Lancome Fix It Forget It spray. And it just looks like this right here. When I try to hold it up to the camera, it really won't focus, y'all. But this is what it looks like. And I'm down to here with the spray. If you watch my videos, you know I've been using this in like my past couple of tutorials. You guys, this is just so amazing. Like, let me just tell y'all this. I have really dry skin. So when it comes to setting sprays, I use them, but I don't really use it to set my makeup. I just use it to refresh my skin, to take away that powdery look, because sometimes after I like put on full face makeup and like powder, contour and stuff, like my face just looks kind of powdery, and so I like to use like my MAC Fix Plus just to like, you know, give my face some life. Because MAC Fix Plus isn't like a makeup setter or whatever, but this right here, it does the same thing but also sets my makeup, so I have that extra assurance. So that's why I really like this one. I know I like this one because MAC Fix Plus, that's always on hand. Like I always have MAC Fix Plus in my house or like in my possession, and I ran out and I haven't even gone to buy it again because I have this. So that's how I know that I love this spray. So yeah, this spray is for all skin types. So even if you have oilier skin, it's oil free. I thought this was gonna mattify my face, like, or make me look dry, so I didn't even like want to use it. I just randomly picked it up one day because my coworker said she loved it, Crystal, and so yeah, I just started using it and I love it. So yeah, the Lancome Fix It Forget It setting spray, I love this. So So the next favorite I have is a foundation, and this one is from Makeup Forever, and it's their water blend foundation. I used to use this foundation all the time, and I just stopped because I just been using like other stuff, and I got back into this a couple of weeks ago, and when I say it's been like the only foundation I've been wearing to work for the past couple of weeks, this right here is so amazing, you guys. It looks just like skin. It looks just like skin. Like it looks like skin. So yeah, this stuff is so amazing. This isn't your foundation if you want like beat full face, like everything. Like this isn't that type of foundation. This is what I'm going to be wearing this summer because it's gonna be hot and I can't be doing like full coverage foundations like when it's real hot. Like I just can't. So this right here is what I'm going to be wearing in the summertime because it's so lightweight. Like I said, a high percentage of it is water, so that's going to feel real good when the summer comes. So yeah, the water blend makeup, so the Makeup Forever water blend foundation, I love this. So this next product, you definitely saw it if you watched my last couple of videos, and I could have mentioned it before, but I don't believe I have. This is the Milk Luminous Blur makeup stick, and I use this strictly just in the center of my face, like right here, just to fill in my pores. It also adds this glow to my skin, so I love this. It makes all my makeup like go on like so smooth, and it also gives me that little bit of luminosity that I like. I love this one because it's blurring, but it's not drying. A lot of primers I have that blur are more matte or they're just drier, and I just don't really like them like that. But this one right here from Milk, love, and I've been using it for quite some time now. So yeah, the Milk Makeup Luminous Blur Stick, I've been loving this one. Next, I have a lip liner for you guys. I just hauled this a couple of weeks ago, but since I bought it, it's been the only brown lip liner that I've been using. I used to use this lip liner from OCC called Sybil. However, the brand is gone. Like, you can't find it anywhere. You can't find their products. So I didn't want to continue to use that because you guys won't be able to find it. But it was basically just like this, the perfect like dark brown lip liner, but I had to stop using it. I mean, I still have it, I just don't use it on camera. But I found this one right here from Black Opal. It's in the shade French Toast. You guys, this right here, let me swatch it for you. I hope that's focused, but yeah, pretty much it's just a really like dark brown liner. I love this liner. Like, it's creamy, but it's like a pencil at the same time. So I don't really like lip liners that are too creamy, but then I don't like the ones that are so dry, like you feel like you're cutting your lips like putting it on. This one right here is like a creamy pencil, if that makes sense. So yeah, I've been loving this lip liner. I think I'm gonna go back to Black Opal and see what other lip liners they have because I've just really been enjoying this one. So yeah, the Black Opal lip liner in French Toast, love this one. So the next two products are from Fenty, Miss Rihanna herself. I've really been enjoying some of her products. I've really been loving her liquid liner in Cause I'm Black. I think I've mentioned this in a couple of videos that I've really been enjoying this liner, but I wanted to just formally come on here and tell y'all that y'all need to go buy it. So yeah, the Fenty Beauty liner in Cause I'm Black, it's just a super black, like precise liner. I love it. It makes it really easy to get my wing, my flick, because there's product even down to the very tip of the liner. So it makes doing a wing super easy. And then her concealer, I'm in the shade 410. Again, if you've been watching my videos, you know I've been using this concealer. I did a whole review on it, and during the review I was like, yeah, I like it. Like, I like it. But after just using it time and time again, like I like it. Like, I rock with this. So yeah, the Fenty Beauty concealer, I've been loving that. Alright, now the last product I want to talk to you guys about is a bronzer, and I definitely want to mention this because, well, one, because I really like it, and then two, because I've had a lot of you guys tell me that it's hard for you to find the CoverGirl Queen bronzer, and if you know me, like you know this is my jam. Like the CoverGirl, look at this, look, what is this? The CoverGirl Queen bronzer in Ebony Bronze. I love this bronzer. I tell so many people about it. Like, I tell so many people about this bronzer, but I've had a couple of y'all tell me that it's hard for y'all to find it, or y'all can't find it. And honestly, I've been running into that issue as well. Stores that I've gone to that used to sell it, they're not selling it anymore. I'm not sure if they're taking it away. I'm not sure if they don't have it anymore because CoverGirl has that new Spectrum line or whatever, which is supposed to be for, like, you know, women of color. I haven't tried it or anything, but yeah, I just don't know if they're taking the bronzer away or not, but I hope not. Like, I really hope not. But you guys, if you can't find that bronzer, I have another one for you. It's still more affordable than like bronzers you find in Sephora. This one is from Morphe, and it is in the shade Showmance. So it just looks like this right here. It is dual-sided. It has a bronzer on this side and then a highlighter. Now, I already told y'all when I first use this, I don't really rock with a highlighter. Like, it does nothing for me, but the bronzer is bomb. It's only like $12, a little bit more than the CoverGirl Queen, but it's still not $30 like you would find the bronzers in Sephora. So yeah, the Brontour in Showmance from Morphe, I've been loving this bronzer. Like, it gives me my warmth, it gives me everything that I need. So yeah, the Morphe bronzer, definitely go pick this up, go cop this if you're having a hard time finding the CoverGirl Queen bronzer. Alright guys, so that was pretty much it for this video. I hope y'all really enjoyed them. If there are any products that I mentioned that you love or that you want to try, definitely leave me a comment. And also, make sure you're subscribed to my channel. That way you don't miss out on any videos. So once again, I want to thank y'all so much for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.